Good morning. On this video I'm going to show what I normally eat in a day, eat and drink. And the first thing I always do every morning, actually before I practice piano, is make coffee. So I'm going to go on in the kitchen and make my coffee for today. Alright, be right back. Alright, I got my cameraman Anthony here,
Hey
and
guys.
he's taking care of the video part of this, but I always start off my coffee with filtered water. I'm kind of fanatic about really nice clean water, and so this water is filtered twice, and then it also goes through a distiller, so I'm kind of crazy that way. Anyway, so I'm going to start with the first batch of coffee. I use 2 cups of water in it. And heat that water up. And then I really like stevia as my sweetener, so I put it, use just hardly any stevia. I mean, like if somebody was going to use sugar, they use a big heaping teaspoon or something. With stevia, I barely put any on the end of whatever, and that makes it plenty sweet. So I use a little bit of this, and I won't even use all that. I'm just going to like put a little bit down on the bottom. That's plenty. And then I'm actually going to put some vanilla. You can just film there. I'm going to grab the vanilla. I'll put a tiny little bit of vanilla in here. And get my strainer and the fresh ground organic coffee. Wait for the water to get hot, and then we're all set. I usually do 2 batches of this. The first batch I do plain. The second batch I also will put some soy milk, like a half cup of soy milk in the bottom, and it's very good also. So all right, now with the hot water, pouring it over the organic coffee grounds. Yeah, and I'm a coffee fanatic now, but I've only been drinking coffee for 5 years. I started to drink it when I was 66, and I'm completely addicted to it now. I think I missed out on great stuff for many years. Um,
Yeah, I think so.
and it was because initially I tried bad coffee when I was a little kid. I tried some, and it just was nasty. But good coffee, oh, it's so good. Anyway, right, first cup. And there you have it. So I'm going to take it into the piano and play a short little bit of music. All right, here I am in my living room at my piano, and with my first cup of coffee of the day, which I always look forward to at this point. Oh, so good. Um, All right, usually in the mornings, I always eat a succession of fruit, and I usually have whatever is seasonal and available. And I eat a lot of fruit, a lot of fresh fruit. I always eat organic fruit. So for today, I have like a banana, a pear, a kiwi, a Fuji apple, and an orange. And I'm going to start with the orange today. And I'm not going to put people through watching me eat all of this because they're gonna. I do it over like probably an hour and a half to or so that I will do a succession. But I'm going to start with the orange and go from there. And I've had wonderful fruit this morning, and now to end kind of my breakfast fruit session, I love this Forager plant-based protein yogurt. It's organic coconut and cashew yogurt alternative, and I'm going to put organic raspberries and big fat organic blueberries on it. So I'll get this ready to go. If I can get this stupid thing open. Put the rest of these in here. I got a whole nother pack of this in my refrigerator. Alright. And this is so good. I'm going to have some hummus wraps for lunch, and it's going to have black olives, red onion, grated carrot, chopped up celery, grated zucchini, chopped up red bell pepper, some little mini cherry tomatoes from my garden, and I'm going to add some extra garbanzo beans, which I'm going to warm up to it once I get it all assembled, and it'll have cut up avocado in there also. So that's the ingredients, and now I'll get to work assembling it, and we'll go from there. Fold them up, hopefully so they won't leak all over the place, and have a wonderful lunch. I decided to go fairly light for my supper tonight. I ate quite a lunch with 3 big wraps. So anyway, I'm going to have miso soup, and here I'm going to steam. I cut up some red cabbage and tofu, carrots, celery, green beans. I believe that's all that I got in there. And I'm going to cook some ramen noodles, but then substitute the miso broth with it. I'm also going to have an ear of corn on the cob. So I'm going to put that all in there and turn it on and get this water boiling so I can put these in, and I'll open this and heat it up and switch out this miso broth for the water that I cooked the noodles in. And that will be dinner. Miso soup, it just looks really good. and I have a organic corn on the cob to go with it, and that's going to do it for today. Probably later on this evening I might have like some sweet treat, but other than that, I usually don't have my desserts, right at the same time that I have my dinner. I usually wait several hours and then have something. But anyway, so that's an example of what I might eat in a day, although there's a lot of variety. So hope you like this video, and I'll see you again next time.